Investing is all about balancing risk and return. Every investment carries some degree of risk, the possibility that you may lose money or not achieve the returns you expect. At the same time, higher potential returns often come with greater risks. Understanding this relationship is essential for making smart investment decisions. Start by identifying your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you investing for long-term growth, saving for a major purchase, or seeking stable income? Your goals will help determine the types of investments that suit you best. For example, stocks generally offer higher returns over time but can be volatile, while bonds tend to be more stable but provide lower returns. Diversification is a key strategy for managing risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, you reduce the impact that any single investment can have on your overall portfolio. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may offset the loss. Research is crucial. Before investing, analyze the historical performance, volatility, and fundamentals of each option. Consider factors such as market trends, economic conditions, and company health. Don't rely solely on past performance, as future results may differ. Finally, review your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as your goals or circumstances change. Staying informed and disciplined helps you make decisions based on logic, not emotion. By understanding risk and return and applying these principles, you can build a portfolio that aligns with your objectives and comfort level.